If you want to delete your GoDaddy account, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can do it quickly and safely. This video is perfect if you no longer need your GoDaddy Portfolio account and want to close it properly without getting stuck in the menus. Before we begin, remember that deleting an account is a permanent action, so it's always a good idea to double check anything important first. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more clear tech walkthroughs just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your GoDaddy Portfolio account using the email and password connected to the account you want to close. Once you're signed in, look for your user profile area. This is usually where your personal account options are stored. Click on your profile, then select Account Settings from the menu. Inside Account Settings, you'll see several different categories and options. What you need to do next is find Contact Preferences. This section controls important account-related settings, including privacy and account management options. Click on Contact Preferences to continue. Now, on the Contact Preferences page, look for the Privacy section. It may be collapsed by default, so if you don't see it right away, expand that area first. Once the Privacy section opens, you should see an option for Account. Select Account to access the account closure settings. At this stage, GoDaddy will show you a close account warning. Take a moment to read it carefully, because this is where the platform explains what happens when you close the account. You may lose access to account services, save preferences, or any associated data, so make sure you really want to proceed before moving forward. If you're sure, check the box confirming that you understand the risk. After you've confirmed the warning, click Close Account. This is the step that officially starts the deletion or closure process. Depending on your account and security settings, GoDaddy may ask for one final confirmation before completing the request. If that happens, just follow the on-screen prompts and finish the verification. Once the process is complete, your GoDaddy account should be closed successfully. If you run into any issues, go back and make sure you were signed into the correct account and that you completed every confirmation step. Sometimes account closure requests can fail if a required box wasn't checked or if you're not in the correct account area. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your GoDaddy account by going through Portfolio, opening account settings, checking contact preferences, expanding privacy, and using the close account option. If this video helped you save time and get the job done, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.